Welcome to September's Leetcode challenge. Today's problem is maximum number of balloons. Given a string text, you want to use the characters of text to form as many instances of the word balloon as possible. You can use each character in text at most once. Return the maximum number of instances that can be formed. Here we can see we can only form one balloon given these letters. Here we can form two balloons. So this is a pretty simple problem. We should immediately know we're going to use a counter object. We need to know how many characters there are, or how many numbers there are of number of characters there are. So say we want to form the word balloon. How many characters do we need of each one of these letters? So we need one B, we need one A, we need two L's, we need two O's, and we need one N, right? So all that really means then is we could just count up the number of characters in our text and calculate which number basically sets the floor of how many balloons we can have. So if we had like 3 L's, it doesn't matter how many of the other letters we can have a million of the rest. We can still only form one balloon, right? Because we need 2 L's for each word of balloon. So what this means is we can just, for B, A, and N, count up how many characters there are of B, A, and of N, and of L of O, we'll do the same thing but divide it by 2, and then just find the minimum of these characters, and then we can return that. So let's start by creating a counter object of text, and we'll say for L in the letter B, A, L, O, N. Depends on if this L is in B of N or if it's L, O, right? And depending on that, we'll set our output here. We need to start with some infinite number. Oops, output equals float of infinite. And we'll just update our output to be the minimum of output and C of L for this. And for the other two letters, we want to divide it by 2, right? So just divide by 2. Finally, return the output, and that would be it. So let's make sure this works. Okay, it looks like it's working. And accepted. So I know it kind of lagged there, but this should be O of N time complexity. You could simplify the equation, the code a little bit. You can even make it a one-liner if you'd like, but this is basically the standard solution. Okay, thanks for watching my channel. Remember, do not trust me. I know nothing.